Well met, travelers. We're back at it like we never left. Six Flags over Georgia. Brand new credit. Georgia Goldrusher. Goliath repaint. She's all blue now. I'm ready. Are you ready? I sure hope so, because I'm probably walking faster than you. Keep up. Well, would you look at that? A big blue dingus. She looks pretty clean, though I do wish they kept a little bit of the orange in the supports. We'll see what happens. Oh, hey. Looks like they've already started that acrophobia repaint as well. Nice. Headed over to Lick Skillet. Let's get that credit, y'all. Oh, there she is. Peeking out. All right, they're letting season pass holders ride early. Let's go. I enjoyed that. It's a cute little family ride. Good introductory launch coaster. We're gonna go for a round two, see how we feel about it on the second time around. What's not long at all?
Oh, I was just gonna say, this won't be a long line at all.
Oh. 3 rides later, it's growing on me. I like the front gondola more. Apparently, one of the magnetic fins that controls the major spinning is down right now and will be corrected shortly, and then it will actually spin like the stock footage, and I think that's gonna help immensely.
Today, it's all, well, not all of them. There's actually more coming.
Okay.
Today, it's hopeful.
Multiple angles.
That's the backside.
It's the backside of Penny. Yo, we got new boats up in this mother.
No, you dang fools! This way! Stay out of the marsh! Stay out of the marsh! Oh no!
They showed that mansion some real love. A lot of new effects in there and such. What do you think?
I think the attention to detail that they put in there is insane. That's my favorite ride here. And now I can ride it and experience that joy all over again. It feels like a whole new attraction. Like it truly feels like that is what they did all in the off season.
And what about you?
Oh my God, I'm just so impressed with the amount of love and attention that Six Flags keeps showing this ride here. I mean, the new stuff is just chef's kiss, honestly. It's incredible. I love it. Great job, Six Flags.
And what about you?
It was amazing. I really like the detail and, the monsters and, monsters that I haven't even know that were even in the ride. So it was amazing. I love it.
Heck yeah. It is the best ride in the park.
2 thumbs up.
Yeah.
Or however many thumbs monsters have. Wonder where they put them. Michael, I'm afraid that I blued myself.
54 inches on solid ride, private boarding, please place all those articles on the right-hand side of the dock. Hats, cups, purses, phones, backpacks, wallets, keys, etc. Once you are seated, you may pull down.
Goliath is still Goliath, but blue now. Still a great ride. I think it'll always have a little shake, rattle, and roll to it. That's a little reference to Six Flags Over Georgia of the past for you nerds out there. I think we may go again. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Stop. Okay.
Get up.
What are you doing?
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Casting couch?
It's not copying me.
Okay.
It's not copying me.
Okay. I'm the real one. You're the clone. Well, they've officially rethemed the Attitudes gift shop into this auto body shop here. Let's see how we're looking, folks. Oh, it's the same. Just some car stuff now. It's the same shop. Just a little cleaned out and some car stuff. Car memorabilia. Looks like a body shop. Same stuff, though. It's all random, irrelevant properties that have nothing to do with Six Flags, and I will never understand it. Personal prediction, this ain't reopening. Not at all. Never again. And will be dismantled soon, I'm sure of it.
I'm the Joker. I've been your lovely host for today. How are we doing?
Excellent. You're looking good today.
Thank you. I do my best. Yes.
Fit check.
One of a kind, just like me. Fit check. Check it.
I'm checking. Will, promote yourself.
Hi. Hi, I'm Will. I am also Weetay from Weetaygram. I'm on Instagram and YouTube and Facebook.
And I'm walking backwards.
Doing a thing.
Yeah, we're doing a thing. What are you doing?
Oh, I'm here in Gotham City spreading joy and smiles and screams to people. And where's Batman? He's hiding.
Yeah.
Because he likes the nighttime.
And they're really
creepy, right?
But yeah, and they're taking forever to make part 2. I mean, you got teased at the end, and you're not. I don't even know what's going on with that.
Yes. That's not quite me. They got a professional to
Yeah,
play
that's
me,
no. Come
but
on.
I wish.
Come
I
on.
mean, the real thing, you know. But they don't get, Bob Dylan to play Bob Dylan in the Bob Dylan movie.
So we got kicked out of Six Flags.
Temporarily. 'Cause I'm
Yeah,
going back in.
not because we're criminals at Six Flags anyway.
Blur this out.
No. Yeah, no, it's because we had little tripod gimbals, which we've all used for years in this park. And also there were people with Osmos, like the electric ones. It's bonkers bizarre, and I think it's made up. All right, now that we've done our walk of shame back into the park, ridiculous, it's log flume time. Seems like a nice day for a log flume. The weather is killer today. We had a huge storm last night, which I flew in through, by the way. Holy crap, that was terrifying. But the weather today, as a result, nice and breezy, nice and cool. Feels great. Let's get wet. We flumin'. Hope you like flumin' too. You look like you're in your happy place. Wee! Water. Transition shot. Twisted Cyclone is closed. Six Flags. I'm still standing after all this time. Transition shot. Never mind. We don't want to wait that long for that. Guys, all the lights are back. Yay. We have the best Batman, and I don't need to tell you again. All right, travelers. Well, it's been a fun, eventful little day. First time I ever got kicked out of here. Granted, they let me back in, but still annoying. And no, it wasn't for doing anything wrong. I have been told multiple times by this park staff that my little tripod is fine because it doesn't extend. That was apparently the key. That's what I told them too. Guy tells me he raised it all the way up through the chain of command. They escorted us out of the park like we had stolen something. Nuts. But it's been a fun day. Will, Kayla, Airtime Obsessed. Make sure to follow them. And travelers, like, subscribe, comment, share. Be real annoying about it. Share with your ex, share with your grandma. And until we meet again, travelers, from Six Flags Over Georgia. Oh, Goldrusher. It's pretty good. Good work. Sorry about that. Copyrighted music. Anyway, where were we? All those things that annoy me to say, you know how it goes. Until we meet again, travelers, from Six Flags Over Georgia. Godspeed. Hi, I know I already did my goodbyes, but I did want to pop in and just, say that even though something interesting happened today, and we didn't give him any trouble about it, by the way. We happily obliged. We were just like, what? This has never happened before. But it does seem like some love is being put into this park, which I couldn't be happier about. That's really all I can. It's not all to fruition yet, but it's clear that the gears are turning and things are in motion for Six Flags Over Georgia. And I look forward to seeing what comes of that. I just can't get used to it being blue. It's tripping me out.